Hey, do you have my charger?
Help me reject this boy. Oh my god.
Wow, what a loser. Who texted you that?
What?
Who sent you that text?
You did, lol.
No, I didn't. I texted you about my charger. Go read the texts.
Wait, it's not there. Something weird is going on.
What do you mean?
That screenshot was from you.
I didn't send you a screenshot.
No, I sent you a screenshot.
Yeah, I saw, lol. Some boy asked you out.
You asked me out.
No, I didn't, lol.
Yes, you did.
When did I ask you out?
Just now.
When I asked for my charger?
You didn't text me that?
Nope, lol.
Then who did?
I don't know. Maybe check your text inbox.
Okay, one sec.
I do need my charger, though.
OMG, this is so weird. I can't find that text anywhere. It's like it never happened.
Wait a second, I know what happened.
You do?
You want me to ask you out, so you made a fake screenshot to make me jealous.
That is not what happened.
If you wanted to ask me out, just say so you don't need to play your stupid games.
This is so embarrassing.
Did a boy really ask you out?
Yeah, I swear.
Then who was it?
I thought it was you.
More like, you wish it was me, lol.
That screenshot wasn't fake. Someone asked me out.
Whatever you say.
Why would I make this up?
I'm not judging you.
Boys ask me out all the time, and I reject a